Goma's garage here. All right, we finished the decals. I think they turned out really good.
Decals is the new thing.
He finishing that corner up there.
Decals is the new thing. It's the new wave. Telling you right now. If you ain't got no 5 decals, you ain't got shit.
It was pretty easy though to install too.
Oh man, they getting a good review for this. This was some good shit. Real easy.
Now I want to get some decals for this Corvette over here.
I would have filmed the whole thing, but since niggas trying to hold their nuts and or don't want to like the videos or comment on the videos, you didn't get to see how I put it on there. All you get to ever see is the finished product. So there you go. You can learn a lot from Goldmouth Garage.
Yeah,
But
put
you
some
wanna
new
learn-
ones of these on for the
You ain't
hood.
gonna learn holding your nuts. No, sir.
Here's this side.
He's done. Done, please.
Comment, like, subscribe for more videos.